The Red Magic X Golden Saga has a new flagship model, unveiled alongside the Red Magic 10 Pro series. While it retains the core hardware specification of the Red Magic 10 Pro, the Red Magic X Golden Saga introduces several unique enhancements. The Golden Saga integrates a first of its kind gold vapor chamber (VC) and gold silver air ducts. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Which leverage exceptional thermal conductivity to dissipate heat even more effectively. Carbon fiber material assists with the battery cooling while reducing the phone's overall weight. The back cover made of sapphire improves both thermal performance and scratch resistance, making the device more durable. The device also features gold detailing on the power button, logo and other accents, giving it a distinctive and luxurious appearance. Available with a single memory variant. That's all for now and thanks for watching.